You're not sentimental. You're just unsure if it's worth keeping. That old dresser, that wobbly chair, the piece your aunt gave you that's lived in your garage longer than your car. You are not alone. Most people don't know if they're holding on to history or just heavy junk. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what antique furniture is worth keeping and what is worth letting go, and how to spot the difference so your home doesn't just feel designed, it feels storied. Antique furniture isn't about style, it's about soul. It's furniture that's outlived trends and still feels relevant. It was carved by hands and not machines. And when chosen well, it anchors a room the way no big box sofa ever could. Because modern furniture fills space, but antique furniture, it fills time. Let's make this useful. Turn the piece over. Run your fingers along its joints. Dovetail? Definitely a keeper. Glue and staples? Probably landfill bound. Smell the wood. Musky oak, pine, beeswax? Those are incredible signs. If it smells like chemicals, it's probably new and cheap. And if it still has its original hardware, that's a fingerprint of authenticity. Let me confess something. I once bought this gorgeous little accent chair at a flea market. The shape, stunning. The fabric, it looked like a couch from 1974 divorce. So I thought, I'll repaint it, reupholster it, make it modern. Then a restoration guy looked at me and said, you repaint this and you erase $2,000 of value. Turns out, it was a rare 1930 French Art Deco piece with original horsehair stuffing, and I almost covered it in eggshell latex. Some furniture isn't asking for a makeover, it's asking to be seen. One of my clients in Dallas was about to toss her grandfather's dining table. It had scratches, water rings, and a cracked leg. It really looked unsalvageable, but after a bit of digging, we realized it was a solid walnut from 1890s, hand-laid, hand-finished, and impossible to replicate. We didn't just refinish it, we rewrote its story. It's now the heart of our home and the thing every guest asks about. The difference between trash and treasure is often just knowledge. Let's say you've got the right piece. It has age, it has presence, and potential. But now what? Restoration isn't about making it look new. It's about making it look cared for. Here are 5 ways to restore antique furniture without ruining it. Number 1, clean it gently, not aggressively. Use a soft cloth and a mild wood cleaner. Never pressure wash, sandblast, or attack it with vinegar. You're cleaning history, not a kitchen floor. Number 2, keep the original finish if you can. That old varnish or shellac, it's often what gives a piece its glow. If you strip it, you risk stripping its value. Number 3, replace hardware thoughtfully. If the knobs or hinges are missing, find period-appropriate replacements. Modern handles on 1800s cabinets, it's like putting Crocs on a tuxedo. Number 4, use natural oils and waxes. Skip the shiny polyurethane, go for beeswax or tung oil. They enhance the grain, not erase it. And number 5, consult before you commit. Before you refinish or repaint, ask someone who knows. What looks like junk to you might be museum worthy to someone else. You don't need to restore everything, but if you do it with care. Because once you erase a piece past, you can't buy it back. Ask yourself, does this piece tell a story? Can I design around it, not just with it? Does it deserve another 100 years? Because when you blend modern comfort with old world soul, you don't get clutter, you get character. If you have a piece you're unsure about if it might be worth keeping or needs new life, I'd love to talk. I help homeowners turn forgotten furniture into focal points, not just to decorate, but to design homes that feel alive. And if you're just getting started, subscribe, because this channel is for people who believe furniture should do more than fill a space. It should stir memory, spark feeling, and tell stories.